Welcome to my online email classes. Before watching this video, subscribe this channel, give a like.
I used the sutra is applied is Nikilam Navatascharamam Dashataha and Subsutra was Anurupyana. Remember these two techniques, these two formulas. So the base is a number followed by zeros. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40 and whatever it is, and 100, 500, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. In this video, we just discuss these two bases. The bases are 10 and 20. Let's consider with an example. Below base 10, let us consider two numbers, 9 into 9. So what is the difference from the base? It was minus 9. So deficiency was calculated by number minus base. So number was 9, base was 10. So deficiency was minus 1. Similarly, take the other number also. The other number also having same deficiency minus 1. Okay. And after finding the deficiency, you should multiply these two numbers together. Minus 1 into minus 1, how much? Plus 1. And after that, calculate these two numbers. Either you calculate these two numbers or these two. Just do calculation. 9 minus 1. How much it was? 8. Write down that number. That is the answer. Fine. In this way, we can calculate the other number also. Let us consider one more example. 7 6s are. We know that actually 7 6s are 42, but just listen this technique, understand it, and we will apply the same rules to the highest numbers. So, deficiency was calculated by number minus base. So, it was minus 3. And for the second number is 6 and the base is minus 10. So, the deficiency was minus 4. So, just write down the deficiencies, minus 3 and minus 4. First multiply these two deficiencies together. Minus 3 minus 4, it was minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12 and 1 will be carryover. Okay. Next, I am doing this one always. Either you can also do this one. No problem, both will be same. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. 6 minus 3 is also 3. Fine. So the number is same, 3. And 3 plus 1, you should add this carryover number. 3 plus 1, 4. So 42 is the answer. Okay. Next, we will try by changing the base to 20. Okay. So first we will find the deficiencies. You know that deficiency will be calculated by number minus base. Number is 19, base is 20. And deficiency was minus 1. Similarly, next number 18. 18 minus 20. Minus 2 is the deficiency. Calculate these two numbers. Two deficiencies, minus into minus plus. 2 ones are 2. Fine. And I am doing this one. Crosswise addition. 19 minus 2 was how much? It was 17. And since it was base 2, the 17 was multiplied by 2. That means it was 34 and this 2. So 342 is the answer. In this way, we have to do this. Okay, let's consider one more example. 17 16s are. So 17, it was base 20. The deficiency was minus 3. And for 16, the deficiency was minus 4. In this case, minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12. So 1 will be carryover. And 17 minus 4, it was 13. And 13 should be multiplied by base value 2. So it will be how much? 26. And for this 26, this 1 will be, the carry forwarded 1 will be added. So now it was 27 and this 2 will be written here, 272. So that is the answer. Understood? That's all for this video, and we will do more example for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe this channel and enable bell notification.